Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to view and manage our form submissions. Let's get started. On your dashboard, go to Customers and Leads, and then from here, select Forms and Submissions. And here you should see all of the forms that you've previously created or added to your site. So to view a forms submission, hover over the form, click on its three-dot button or the three-dot button next to it, and click on View Submissions. And this is where you should see that specific form's submissions. You'll also notice that there are three tabs. So you've got the Submissions tab, the Spam tab, and the Trash tab. And this is also where you'll have the options to sort your submission data, export them, download them as PDF, view the site user's contact info, report it as spam so that it will be moved to the spam tab, or move it to trash. So go ahead and manage your form submissions however you need to. So that's all for today. Hope you guys found this video of help. And if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.